73 degrees in this room. So I'm gonna somehow get under these covers and you're gonna see parts of the setup because I can't show you everything, but you're gonna see parts of it. Oh boy. All right, this is going to be an interesting view, but at least the audio will be good. All right, so we're faced this way. But I do not have a mobile thing to connect to. All right, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna it backward. Oh, it's backwards. Okay, I have to do this. Right? I did this before. Okay, maybe I'm right. Maybe it is this way. Okay, there we go. There we go. Good gracious. All right, and the screen did rotate. That's a good thing. The screen rotated. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. I pressed one button and held it for like very short time and okay, that's the wrong password. Okay. All right. I'm not used to typing in that password that way, so that was fun. All right, I'm connected with internet. Yay. Okay, I'm connected. All right. Getting the phone ready. The Wi-Fi thing up here says 5 instead of 6. I do have Wi-Fi 6. And my other phone confirms that right now, but you can't see it right up there. It says 6. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's up there. Don't copy. Oh, maybe that's why they sent the other screen. Because it looks like this one has damage at the bottom corner. Alright, now I'm gonna sign into my Gmail. Oh, wait. That's why we have 2 shift keys. Wait. Okay, so issue 1, pressing shift for these yellow things doesn't work that way. So I obviously have to press something else. Alright, so the arrow thingy does the yellow on the right corner of whatever key you're pressing. So you would think shift and those would get you there, but it does not. That's strange, but let's keep going. Alright, I signed in. Now it's asking for the pass keys and stuff like that, so I guess I can show some of that. Oh, actually, if I'm gonna do what I normally do, don't set up your stuff. Do none, because if you do any, it's going to be a problem. Oh, but it's asking for the pass keys for, you know, your Google sign-in, so, you know, you gotta do it the other way. Alright, phone number, yeah. Terms of service, yeah. Now it's getting the account information. More Google service stuff. Now it's asking for a device pin. Again, if you're going to do the stuff I'm going to do, you're going to want to skip this. You might as well skip the Google Assistant stuff too. Access the assistant from unlocking your device, even though I just skipped the thing before that. Come on, Google. Stop being annoying. I know you're trying to get data and stuff, but golly. Don't be annoying and repetitive. Anything else? No. I want to change the font size. I want to change the fonts so I can tell the difference between a capital I and a lowercase l. Alright, this is different. Accelerated location consent. US ISAT. I've never seen that before, and there's nothing to scroll about. I just press next, and here I am. Here. Alright, so that's what the screen looks like. Just a few more steps to set up your QX1050. Sounds like a graphics card. Physical keyboard. Oh gosh, it wasn't in the shot. I'm sorry. Default. Set up keyboard layers. Go down to your language. I'll be using that. Go back. Select it. Scroll down. There's nothing else really. And go back. And now that notification is gone. Alright, let's do this so I don't have to see this no more. Finish setting up your QX1050. Skip. Google, this is the repetitiveness I was talking about. There's no need for asking for this twice. Because I literally skipped all of this for a purpose. Not a reason. A purpose. Alright. And there you have it. Okay. I'm tired of holding this way, so let's look at what this... Okay, so yeah, when I skip the technology reporting thing, now it's Qualcomm technology reporting. Okay, so now that's gone. So now they get the information there. Alright, so let's go through. What the heck, G? Oh, it's adding context. Alright. Let's go to the settings. Oh, this is really old. This is super old. I want to add that. Oh, you know what? Before I even do, because I'm used to, you know what? All right, let's go through here, see what's on here. All right, so that's what it comes with. Oh my gosh. I keep forgetting that I don't have anything set up the way I normally do. Yeah. Alright, we're back at setting. Can't see the screen at the moment, so good luck, everybody. Yeah, so I got that. Oh my gosh, I keep touching the screen because of the curve. Alright, and then down there, I got that. Next. We got that. Good job. Apps notifications. We got more down there. What's next? Battery. It's at 87%. It's going to take 6 hours and 53 minutes to finish charging. Wow. Last full charge was 23 minutes ago. How? Impossible. Show the percentage. What's wrong with you? Always show the percentage. Alright, here we go back. Display. Get that. Let's do this auto. Turn it on. Yeah. Oh no, turn it off. I want the schedule. There we go. Sunset. There we go. Now I know when the sun comes up. Alright. The dark theme needs to have a AMOLED version instead of just dark. Yeah. Alright, go back. Night light, don't need that. Adapt the brightness. Turn that on. What's going on? There we go. Should always be on. Probably. Live wallpapers. None. Good. Don't need any. Photos. Well, you only see my photos. You only see wallpapers either. Let's keep going. Inactivity. Let's make it 5 minutes since we're setting up a device. Auto rotate. For now, I'm gonna leave that off because when I pull out the keyboard, it works. So that's all I need. All right, we got natural colors, boosted, adaptive, natural. Let's just go natural. Let's see. Font size. Let's make it smaller so it can fit more. Display size. Let's make it smaller so we can fit more. Very good. Yeah, I like when those are spread out like that. Okay. It's gonna be hard for y'all to read though. I say y'all, but I actually mean me, because I'm... Okay, that's better. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so we got font size, display size, screensaver. Win dot. I don't know when that's gonna happen, but next. Lock screen. Wake screen for notifications, which I actually should turn off, but we're not gonna turn that off right now. Alright, now we go down to sound. Oh my gosh, I pressed the power button. Okay, and we're back. Did the sun not set? What the heck? Okay, and we're in dark mode now. Me volume. It gives you an idea. Okay. Vibrate for calls. You better vibrate for these calls. Yeah. Just do that. That makes sense. Vibrate, then gradually. Do not disturb, but do I have nothing? Oh, there they are. Yeah, okay. I don't have schedule, so we'll have to add that with tasker. Yeah, show me player. Oh, we got a light mode all of a sudden. Okay, that's strange. The sounds. Dial pad, that's fine. Lock screen, that's fine. Charging and vibrating sounds, new. Touch sound, new. Vibrate on touch, good. Emergency dialing signal, silence. Alright, what's after sound? The storage. 256 gigabytes with expandable storage available. So that's how much Google takes up and the device takes up. Next is privacy. Show password briefly. No, don't. Advanced ads and all that. Okay, let's go to the next one. Location. Cool. Alright, next. It's curd. So yeah, that's how old this is. Alright, next without security. So account, it just shows my email. Accessibility, I guess that's important. And accessibility, I guess that's important. Now stuff's at the bottom of the page, so it's harder to see while doing this. There's your well-being, global services, and I'm gonna save myself some editing, but it has that. Alright, system. We got the Gboard, we got gestures, we got date and time, we got backup, reset, all that. I'm gonna do some stuff right there, hold on. So automatic time management is incorrect. It has me in the location this was made and not the actual time. So we're gonna change it. We don't use that. No. America. Okay. Samoa. That's not the America I was looking for. Okay, do we need United? There we go, United States. And then we'll get close to the area I'm in, which most of y'all should know where that is. And it's time zone New York. Let's go. Alright, so we're in the right time zone now. Hopefully that's not an ongoing issue. This is in fact the latest version, Android 11, on this particular device. I guess that would have been nice, you know, back when this first came out, right? 2022. And of course the Qualcomm technology reporting thing. So if you wanted to uncheck that, it's right there. And about phone, device name, information that you probably don't need, build number. Of course, we're gonna press that a whole bunch of times. And now we're a developer. Yeah, you didn't see me press it because I don't want you looking at certain things. So now we go back to system. And now we got developer options right there. And this is what I need to do and what you need to do. Dynamic system update image. Oh, what's that do? Neat. I don't know what that does, but relax. Alright, I need USB debugging turned on. Yes, don't ask. I don't need wireless right now. anything else? No, I think that's all I needed. Oh, let's do this too. File transfer. Show taps. I like show taps being on because I like to prove that I'm right. Oh, I tapped. I know where I tapped. We'll turn the animation scaling down because no point wasting time. And I think that is everything I need to do before I update this to the latest something. Now, I don't know about TWRP because I don't think it was working. I guess it can be installed from the app. Yeah, I guess that would make sense. But I still have to get root. So, how do you get root in 2025? Only one way to find out. My face palm is in full effect. This Google, like I said, no redundancy. What do you mean? Oh, you're this close to setting up your device fully. Listen, stop being stupid. Let people use their device the way they want. Stop pestering people. App developers, all y'all, stop pestering folk to do stuff. Let them do what they want on their device that they bought with their money. When you start giving away devices, okay, when you start making $500, $600 devices, because that's how much they're worth, and you start giving them away, then you can do this stuff. But when we're paying $750+ for these devices, we need our sanity. And stop pestering us. And turn notifications off automatically. Make them silent when we first get the device. And we'll decide what's important enough to actually make noise. And I'm including phone calls and text messages with that as well. Do that. Do it. On that last one, basically it was telling me, hey, you want this, you want this, you want this, or this? Basically these things, you know. No, I don't. No. I don't want any of that. And we're done, right? We're done? You're not gonna ask me that again. Alright, this is a little more important. Okay. So when you first run the camera thing, you get this little full screen pop-up thing. Alright, and now you can apply filters to improve picture, select scene mode for better picture. It's pretty good, sharp. You got pro mode, you got photo, you got HFR. Yeah, so down there, that's those things. You can flip the camera, which we are not because I just woke up. No, you can't see that. And then we got more options, something with circles. And then we got gear over there. So we're gonna press that first. Okay, and that gets us HDR and automatic. Okay, and that also moved the gear down to the bottom. What? Okay, so don't show that again, thanks. But we'll show it right now. There you go. Yeah. Okay. All right, we're gonna press OK. Now HDR is on. Wonderful. Now I press the gear, and we got GPS location, which we should probably keep that off. You know, don't want to give everything away. Face detection. I don't take pictures of people, so we don't need that. There's no other storage at the moment. JPEG. Yeah, JPEG's fine. We got countdown. Where are we at? Where? Countdown. Here it is. Countdown. Continuous shooting. Picture size. Quality. Exposure. White balance. And shutter sound. We're going to turn that off because that's annoying. Now hold on. So if you couldn't tell, I turned on gestures and I cannot back from this app. So use the arrow at the top. There is no back here. All right, let me look at video mode real quick. There we go. So we click video mode and it changes up a little bit. What's HFR? What's that? I don't know what that does. And what's pro mode? Ooh, pro mode is nothing at the top except the gear at the top right. But then you get all these options down here. Show you that gear. There's a gear at the top. So yeah, that's what changed there. So yep, there's that. And of course, yes, if you press the button, it'll take a picture, but I'm not trying to take a picture. Not right now. I'll show you a picture from something else. We go back. Okay. So when I went into pro mode, I press back. It takes me back to photo. So that means no using pro mode automatically. Oh, what the? So I keep, okay. So I just went back. And then it took me out. Golly. I wonder what's going to be different when I install custom ROMs. Anyway. Okay, so remember when I was doing stuff and I had this plugged in and the percentage it was at like 91%. It is 8 p.m. now, so when I woke up until now, it has been plugged in. It is now at 98%. This thing charges super duper slow. And yeah, here's the screen I'm gonna have to show you how to replace, I guess. Is that the screen? So is that an extra screen? Hopefully I don't have to put this together. I don't have that kind of time today. That is my full stomach digesting food, if you heard that. Alright, here's the tricky part. As I knee the camera stand and I'm forced to start the video over. Start button. Oh, it switched to regular English. If you saw earlier, I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but if you saw earlier, it said UK, but now it's... I'm hitting the mic. Oh my gosh, just show everything, why don't you? Okay, so this is before Android 12, because I can't press and hold to do stuff. Anyway, yeah, this is 2022. Good gracious. Alright, this is a little more important, and I actually probably should have set up the screen record. Oh boy, hold on. Now you see and stuff on one on camera. Hold on, we're gonna get this right. We'll get this right. Okay, you can apply. Okay, my finger's in the way. And now, okay, it's way over here. Good gracious. And now you can see the camera. Okay, you can't see that, but we'll move this up. Slippery phone. Okay. Golly stomach. You might not have heard that, but anyway. Alright, let's see how far in the setup I can go. Of course, the thumb is kind of low. And this thing is supposed to follow me. It's not. So if it doesn't, just know I don't care. How I got Zygots to be yes instead of no, because your phone is ready to tap to pay. Easy.